Hi, Karen from Edible Wild Food here, and today I'm going to show you how you take grapevine leaves and roll them. So in here I have leaves that I have already blanched, and over here, as you can see, I've done some already, and what I'm going to show you is right here. So I have my leaf, and as you can see, it's about my hand size. I take the scissors, I just give it a bit of a clip, maybe about 1 inch or so. Then I'm going to take a spoonful of my mixture and place it on the leaf. Then make sure your hands are washed. I fold it up from where the cut is, and if you have to, make that cut a little bit longer. Then I'm going to tuck over the one side, fold down the top, then I'm going to fold up the bottom, and if you need to, tuck your mixture back in there, and as best as you can see I overstuffed that one, as best as you can, start rolling, and very slow, go very slow, and then you have your stuffed grapevine leaf. So there you are. I'm going to continue onward here. So got two stuck together. There we go. It's really hard to get grapevine leaves that are all the same size, to try to strive to get them as close as you possibly can. Again, this is about my hand size, a little bit smaller than the other one. And there you go. So from blanching the leaf to creating your mixture, and this recipe will be on the website and the link will be below, to rolling your grapevine leaves to before you put it into the oven. Anyways, there you go. There we have it. One more to show you. Cut it up about 1 inch. I'll put a little less in this time. I'm going to fold up, fold over, fold down, fold up, and roll. There we go. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and I hope you have found this helpful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.